This is the Pony 2-in-1 folding work table and sawhorse, and full disclosure, they did send this to me for a review. That said, I did actually buy one of these myself about 3 years ago. I've been using it since then on all my different job sites, and it's been super helpful for me. Very handy table. It has a lot of different unique features that are very handy for different projects, so let me give you a closer look at it. And first off is going to be the sturdiness of this thing. It's rated for up to 1,500 pounds. It's all very sturdy, very rigid, very supportive, not wobbly at all. It is a really solid tabletop, really nice workspace. Of course, this is made from plastic. Taking a look at the bottom though, you can see there is a lot of support under it. And it has these diagonal bars that come up and brace it, which is what gives it that really high weight capacity. What that also allows is you to fold this thing up just by the push of a button. So if you push this, then lift it up, that will fold down. You can clip that in, just like that. Flipping it around, same thing on this side. Just push that button, fold that down, and clip it in. And now you can use this as a sawhorse. You get a nice wide sawhorse on top here, along with these 2 grooves, which you can stick a 2x4 in. And just quickly showing you that, you can see here's the 2x4, nicely fits into either of these slots. Not a super tight fit, but you know, it does fit. And this is super handy if you have 2 of these sawhorses. You can set them up just right next to each other, then put 2 2x4s across them. And then you can slap a sheet of plywood right on top of here, and then you have a pretty good sized workbench, pretty solid as well. Anyway though, the top here is made from a very heavy duty plastic, and then the legs are made from metal. The black parts here are made from steel, and then the bottom pieces that slide out are made from aluminum. And then this does also fold up just a little bit more for carrying it around or storing it. You just lift up on some of these holes in the center, then it folds up just like this. Folds up nice and compactly, nice and flat, just like that. You can also take these rubber straps, pin them onto there, and that holds it together. There's one on the other side as well. That makes it pretty easy to carry. You got this lip of the tabletop on the other side, so you can kind of just walk up to it, pick it up, and walk around with it. Makes it very easy to carry. It weighs just about 30 pounds, so it is a little bit more heavy than one of your cheap all plastic sawhorses, but it's still plenty manageable. 30 pounds isn't too bad. And with this, you do get a lot more features, which I will get into right now. So first off, I'll go ahead and show you how to unfold this because it's super easy. We're just going to spread the legs apart like that. That kind of locks it down. Now it's solid. You can use it as a sawhorse, as I said, or you can fold it up into the table. Just pull this bar and it clips into the top. Same thing on this side. Super quick and easy to set up, and now that it is set up at a table, let's take a look at all the different tabletop features it has. Starting off down here on the secondary tabletop surface, I guess, is going to be the clamp holder. This is very nice for keeping the clamps with the table, but if I go ahead and remove this, there's actually a slot here on all 4 sides of the table. There's one there, there, and there. So if you go ahead, slide that in, it'll hit a metal pin right here. So if you pull that out, then you can slide this in. You can see that go back in, which puts a pin through the clamp, basically through that hole in the end there, just a metal pin that holds it in. And now you can use this as a clamp on the outside of your table, just like this, as like a vise or something to hold some different boards. It's not completely solid, it does have a little bit of movement, but still very handy. You can set one up over there as well if you have longer boards. Or if you go ahead, push this quick release button on here, then you can pull this off, move the clamp all the way to the back like this, and then you can actually slide this end into the table. Once that's locked in there, now you can use this clamp on the inside of the table with either a clamp on the other side, locking down a board, or any of these 4 bench dog pieces, which slide into these holes on the top side of the table. These 2 larger stoppers fit into 2 of the holes going this way, so you can put them anywhere along here, same on the other side. And you can use that to set it up as a, well, basically a vise on the inside, just to hold down a board or to use just as a stopper for layout work, especially in combination with some of the other bench dog holders. Maybe you set up a couple more clamps on here. You can make this into a pretty decent setup and layout table. And these are 3/4 inch bench dog holes, so you can also get some of your own attachments to put in here. Maybe some of those hammer down clamps or just some other stoppers. And you know, there's a lot of possibilities with this table. Or if you do just want to clamp something down to the table, you can again detach one side of the clamp with that quick release mechanism, then stick this end through like that, take the end end that you just took off and stick that back on there. Just like that, just stick a board in here or whatever workpiece you're working on, clamp it down, then you are good to go. That is rock solid. These things have a lot of clamping force. They work great. Really well secured on there. And of course you do have 2 of these. It does also come with 2 of these smaller bar clamps, which while they do not fit into the ends, they're just a little bit short, you can use these in the tops like I am with this one. And on top of all that, you get a ruler marked into the table. You have it going from 0 all the way up to 14 inches, or I guess 15 inches. And then on the other side here, there is also some metric measurements. And then it does also have this small little recessed portion, which is great for, you know, some screws or some bits if you're switching out bits a lot. Great for anything like that, just a nice little spot to store some loose items so they don't roll off the table. And of course the other side there is exactly the same, just mirrored onto that side. So with the tabletop here, you get a lot of really cool options for clamping things down, gives you a lot of flexibility on how you want to set it up. I like how it comes with some bench dogs and some clamps, that's super great. But that is not all, there are a few more features here. Down here, of course, there is this table, which isn't quite as solid as the top, but it is a great spot for some extra items maybe you don't want on the top. Maybe if you got to set a drill down somewhere, you can set it on here. That works great. And then of course, as I showed before, it does hold both of these clamps. They kind of just clip in like that, and that way it will hold them when you fold this thing up, which is awesome. And on top of all that, a super handy feature that I have used a bunch is the feet down here. These are adjustable. You can actually adjust the height of the table from 30 inches all the way up to 35 inches. And adjusting these is super easy. You can see there's these 2 pinch tabs right here. If you pinch those, that will release something in here. I'll just go ahead and do this side. So just like that. And now you can see I can freely move this up and down. And once I let go of that and kind of find a click, that will lock into place right there. And that is the 30-inch mark there, but you can actually set this a bit lower, just like that. And if you do set all of the legs all the way to the bottom height like this, the whole table will be about 24 inches tall. So it's basically adjustable from 24 inches up to 35 inches. And extending these out is even easier. You don't even have to bother with the piece up here. You can literally just pull it. You can hear a click. Now you know that's where it's gonna stay, or you just pull it more. And again, you can pull it all the way out to the 35 inches. And of course, on the other side here, you can see it does also have millimeters. Now, one thing I would have liked to see here is those measurements on that side as well, just to make it a little bit easier to set them both at the exact same height. Not that it's difficult, but that would have been nice. That said though, if I do flip the table over to the other side here, you can see, again, it is mirrored, so there are measurements over there, but not over here. So like I said, would have been nice to see them over there as well, but on just one side here is good enough. And like I said, I use this feature a lot. It's super handy if you want the table to be a bit shorter or a bit taller, but one of the main uses for it is going to be for setting it up on stairs, or at least that is one of the main things I use the adjustable feet for. That is super handy because you can adjust one side independently from the other. So if you do have some stairs to set this up on, you can just quickly and easily retract in one side, set this side on the higher steps, and then that side on the lower steps, and then you can get pretty close to a level tabletop on top. And I will also point out that the bottoms of the legs here do all have rubber on them, just some rubber pads, which makes them great at staying in place and not slipping around, which is great if you do have this set up on a solid surface. Oh, and I probably should mention this as well. All of the bench dogs do have a spot down here also. So you can also just click all of these into place down here, and then you can very easily carry them with you. They are locked in pretty well. Nice tight friction fit there. So they will stay on there pretty well when you fold it up. As far as I can tell, the smaller clamps here don't really have a spot to clip them in, but once this is folded up and this is basically vertical, you can kind of just set them down into here like this. Kind of just like this. You can see once it is folded up like this, you can just set that in there. Same with the other side, and for the most part, that will stay in there. Which I think is great because it just makes it so you don't have to have an extra bag for all the loose parts. Just makes it super convenient and super easy for carrying everything with you with the table. So yeah, overall, I am very happy with this thing. This thing is awesome. It's a super handy work table and sawhorse setup. The fold up feature is super handy as well. I also really like how you can clip it together so it doesn't just randomly open up on you. That is awesome. And yeah, like I said, just overall, very sturdy sawhorse, has a lot of different very handy features, and it is also very easy to set up and use.